Well, I've changed the clutch and the slave cylinder on this van. I didn't video it because there's already videos on YouTube of doing that job, and it seems like good videos, so I didn't see the point. I'm about to redo the gearbox oil. There's not much information online about it and about refilling it and the quantity. So I've got 3 bottles here, so it's 3 litres, which should be enough. What's recommended for this van is 75W80. My plan is to use this pump to pump it into the gearbox. It's a marine gearbox pump, if you can see that there. Quicksilver gear lube pump. Hopefully this will work and we can get the oil in. I'll show you under the van now where the fill hole is and where the drain hole is. Right, coming under the van, at the front of the gearbox here, you've got the fill plug, which is a number 8 Allen key. And if you come over here by the drive shaft, just below it, there is the drain plug, which is also a number 8. They do say, try and undo the fill plug first. If that comes undone, then do the drain plug, just in case you can't get this fill plug out. My plan is pump it in here until the oil starts dribbling back out, and that's it then. There's enough in there. Well, I'll get on with it now. Right, I'm going to pull the fill plug out now. The gearbox has obviously been drained already because I did the gearbox job. And we'll try and get it filled up with this pump, see if it works. Here's the gearbox all going in now. We do it in here. All I'm doing is pumping it like this, and it's going in fine. And back up. It seems to be working fine, so I'll come back on the video in a minute once it's filled up. Right, I've got a steady drip coming out now, which shows that it's full. It actually took dead on 3 litres, just a little bit under. And that's it, job done. I don't know the torque spec for these, but just do them up tightish, don't go crazy because it will snap. And that's it, that's the job done. Hopefully this video helps you out. It did take 3 litres of this stuff I used. It's only cheap, I don't know how cheap, but, and that pump worked fine, so I'll put a link in the description for the pump as well. But that's the job done. If you can, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.